Here's Dave trying to rescue a starling that's in his office. Here we are working on the New River Birding and Nature Festival. And what shows up in Dave's office on the third floor of the Fayette County Courthouse? But a bird. Oh, Dave almost had him. He's not going to land on you, Dave. Grab him. He's not trained.
I'll back up in the ceiling.
He's not trained like they are in Shakespeare.
Don't pull my chair.
Go get him, Alicia.
No, I ain't touching that thing.
Why not?
Backing yourself into a corner.
Pounce on him, Dave. Get him. Dave's got him pinned in the corner. Oh, he escapes.
If you only knew what we're trying to do, Bird.
All right. The much maligned European starling. I really like this bird. Beautiful colorations, wonderful song, and off he goes.